Nilagay niya lang daw sa lupa yung ano. Morning guys. So, kakagising ko lang obviously. Char. Namamaga yung aking eye bags. But anyway, ano na, medyo tanghali na. So, ngayon pa lang ako nagising. Malamig sa labas. So, naka-sweater tayo. So, mag-aano ako ngayon. Mag-a-attempt ako magluto ng fajita. So, let's see. Naso ko na lahat ng meat na kakailanganin ko last night. So, ayan, ready ko na siyang i-season ngayon. So, ito yung gagamitin ko for the marinade. Ayan. Soy sauce. Lime or calamansi. Ayan, ground pepper. Garlic. Onion and paprika. So, start. Squeeze it. Ayan. Powder. And then onion. Ground pepper. Ayan, yung ating meat, beef. Ayan, lalagyan na natin ito. Ayan. Ayan. So, lang din. Guys, ganun ko lang minarinade yung yung ating karne, yung beef and chicken lang yung kailangang i-marinade. Kasi yung shrimp, lalagyan lang naman natin ng seasoning. So, madali namang sumipsip ng seasoning yung shrimp. Sumipsip talaga. Anyway, andito ako sa labas. I'm just enjoying yung yung cold weather ngayon dito sa amin. Kasi, a little later, medyo mainit-init na naman daw. But we will see. Pero hindi naman sobrang mainit. And sunny pa rin naman dito. So may, ayan, part dito is mainit. Kasi ayan. Pero yung hangin, malamig siya. So I think, nakakatulong din yung lake dyan. Kasi pag humahangin, so lamig yung mafe-feel mo. And ayun, imamarinate ko lang yung aking mga karne for 5 hours kasi maaga pa naman eh. So ayan, it will give me enough time para maluto natin yung fajita later on. And then, visit natin yung aking halaman. Pinagtatawanan ako ng asawa ko, guys, dahil 'di ba gumawa ako ng video kung paano ko pinopropagate ito. And pag uwi niya, sabi niya, nilagay niya lang daw sa lupa yung yung succulent na nasa harap. Ginanon niya lang daw, nilagay niya lang yung mga dahon-dahon na nahuhulog, ganyan. Tapos tumubo na lang daw sila ng ng ganon. Sabi ko, bakit di niya ako sinabihan? But anyway, ayan. Ganyan po sila. So far, wala pa akong nakikitang tumubo. So, medyo matagal-tagal yata. But anyway, ito sila. Yung iba, I like it. So, ayan. Pasok na tayo. So, now it's time for us to season our shrimp. Ayan, that's a 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And then, we're gonna put garlic powder, onion powder. Just estimate, guys, on the amount of powder or seasoning that you want to put. And then ground black pepper. So I like to put a lot of ground pepper on our foods, and then a little bit of paprika. And then, of course, a little bit of salt. And then, last but not the least, the lemon pepper marinade. So 1 tablespoon is enough. And then just mix it all together. So here is our ingredients. We have the shrimp, fajita beef, and chicken. So I'm just gonna fry our meat on both sides. So it depends on how well done you want your meat to be. So you can, that's up to you guys. But for me, I like the meat to be overcooked, a little bit overcooked, so it's not hard for me to chew on. Tartar. Look at that. So this is how it looks like, and then we're just gonna flip it over that way. It will cooked equally. Charot, tama ba yung English ko? That way both sides are well done. And turn after a few minutes, they're finally done. So we're just gonna separate them, and then let's move on to our chicken. So the beef and the chicken, guys, I marinated it for 5 hours. And if you can do it over time, then that would be much nicer. So now we're gonna set our chicken aside. It's already cooked. And now it's time for us to cook our shrimp, our seasoned shrimp. we're done cooking our shrimp. Ayan. Let's set it aside. Kunyari, marunong tayo magluto. Okay, let's pretend like we know how to cook. So then, this is our plate. First time. So now it's time for us to slice our veggies. So for the veggies, you just need a whole onion, and bell pepper. And now we are going to start sauteing our veggies. First, the onion. And then add the bell peppers. So once the veggies are cooked, doesn't have to be overcooked. Now we are going to add our seafood and meat on top of our veggies. And ta-da! This is our finished recipe. So, ayan guys, chill na lang tayo right now because I'm done cooking and then also I'm done eating na rin. So, it turned out good actually, yung fajita ko. It was my first time making fajita and it's good that it turned out okay. It's not bad. Of course, it's not bad. I like how it turned out and I'm so proud of myself because, you know, it's my first time and I'm not a very good cook. I'm not a very good cook. So right now I'm just watching the news. I'm just watching the news because today is November 3rd and it is an election day over here in the United States. So we'll see who's gonna be the new president of United States, I guess, for the for the following days. I don't think we can get a I don't think we will get the result right away tonight. I don't think so, but it's good to, keep watching the news. That way we are updated of what's going on in the whole country. I will end my vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Wala naman kasing ganap. Wow, iba. Grabe naman yung ko, yung forehead ko, halaka, Ayan, kalarky. So, paggabi na actually, pero maliwanag pa rin naman sa labas. So, it's like 6:30 na ng gabi. But, ayan, hatiin natin yung ating, yung ating forehead kasi sobrang lapad. Oh my God. Kakalarky. So, ayan, dito ko natatapusin. Wala naman masyadong ganap for today. Nasa bahay lang ako. So, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you want lang naman. Diba? Walang sapilitan to, te. Char. God bless you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.